Here's how you can add a custom domain in Netlify. Buy or own a domain, Namecheap, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, etc. In Netlify, log in, select your site, site configuration, domain management, add a domain, enter your domain, type www.example.com or example.com. Netlify checks availability and adds it. Choose primary domain, optional. Set example.com or www as primary. Netlify auto adds redirect. Update DNS at your registrar. 2 options. Option A, Netlify DNS, fastest, free SSL. Copy Netlify's name servers. At registrar, change name servers to Netlify's. Wait 1 to 24 hours. Option B, external DNS. Keep your registrar. Add these records. A record, 75.265. Name, www.yoursite.netlify.app. Save. Wait 160 min. Back in Netlify. Click Verify DNS. Once green, force HTTPS. Done.